Salam everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today we're making chicken korma. I've listed all the ingredient details in the video as well as in the description box below. So first take a pan and add in about 100 grams of melted ghee. You can also use oil, but ghee would enhance the taste even more. When the oil or ghee gets hot enough, add in the onion puree. I made this out of one large onion. Saute for about 5 to 8 minutes. Once you're done, add in the dry spices. Next, add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add in 500 grams of chicken and stir fry it well. Add in a teaspoon of salt and mix everything well. Cover and keep it on medium flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. When the chicken changes its color, add in half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now we'll add in the tomato puree. I made this out of 2 medium tomatoes. After mixing it well, add in a tablespoon of green chili paste. Now cover on medium flame for about 5 minutes. Now it's time to add in the spices, and for that we'll take 1 teaspoon of korma masala, half teaspoon of red chili powder, one-fourth teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Now mix all of these ingredients well together. Add in a pinch of orange food color. Add in 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and mace powder. After mixing it well, cover and keep it on medium flame for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add in 150 grams of whisked yogurt on low flame. Make sure that you nicely mix so that there are no lumps formed. Adjust the salt according to your taste. Now add in a few drops of Kewra essence. Next goes in a teaspoon of garam masala. Cook until the water gets evaporated. Add in your favorite garnishing, then cover and keep it on low flame for about 5 to 10 minutes. That's it for today. If you guys liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video with another recipe. Till then, take care. Bye bye.